What is 2G, 3G and 4G welding? In the context of welding standards, like AWS or ISO, the numbers represent the position of the weld, and the G stands for a groove weld, a weld made in a pre-cut channel between two pieces of metal. 2G, horizontal position. In 2G the plates are placed vertically, but the weld axis runs horizontally. The main challenge here is gravity pulling the molten puddle toward the bottom plate. To manage this, I would use a stacking technique to create a shelf for the next pass. 3G, vertical position. In 3G the plates are vertical, and the weld is performed vertically, either upward or downward. For structural repairs on a ship, vertical up is preferred because it allows for deeper penetration and better fusion of the root, though it requires much higher heat control. 4G, overhead position. In 4G the plates are positioned horizontally above the welder. You are welding from the underside. This is the most difficult plate position because you are fighting gravity directly to prevent the molten metal from dripping. It requires a very short arc and precise travel speed.